What's going on, guys? Stefan here with you, S&E's Garage. Today we're here on our 2007 Camry. Now when I purchased this car, I had only gotten one key with it, and I'm the kind of guy I always like to have two keys. So I went ahead and I ordered an original equipment key from Toyota, and I went ahead, I brought it to a dealership and I got it cut. So what you're going to see here is, because this car has an immobilizer, with my new key, the car will not start because it does not see this key as a key that's acceptable to start the car. Now, if I take my old key, you'll see the car will start right up. So what we're going to do here is we're going to use our Xtool D8, our smart diagnostic system bi-directional scan tool, and we're going to program both the immobilizer and the electric key fob for keyless entry as well. Now, in order to be able to do this with a scan tool, you are going to need at least one master key that works. If you lose both of your keys, pretty sure you have to take it to Toyota because you need to get key codes, and you know, it can get a little squirrely. So let's go ahead, let's get this Xtool D8 set up. We're going to turn the ignition on with the key that I have that works, and we're going to get into the key programming mode. I'm going to take you through the process to do it. Alright guys, so here we are with our Xtool D8, and we're going to go ahead and go into special functions. And then we are going to go ahead and go into key programming. We're going to go ahead to agreed. We're going to select Toyota. And at this point it should auto. So let's go by vehicle here. This is a USA car. This is a Camry, and this is a 2007. No, it does not have smart key. 2007 to 2011 without smart. We're going to do the immobilizer first. So it says one submaster key is needed to erase or add others. How to identify a submaster or valet key? Okay, so this is, I know for a fact this is a master key, so we're going to hit OK. We're going to go to add a key. One submaster key is needed. Okay. We're going to hit yes. Insert programmed master key. Okay, so that's in there. Insert new key into ignition. So we're going to take this old one out. We're going to put our new key right here in. Do not switch to the on position, and then press OK. Programming success. Alright guys, so as you'll see here, here is our new key. This new key will now start the car. So now that we have the immobilizer portion set up, what we can go ahead and do is go back and program the remote. Turn the ignition switch. Please turn on the ignition switch. Okay. Press and hold the lock button and unlock keys at the same time for 4 seconds within 30 seconds. Okay, just like that. So what we did is we pressed the lock and unlock at the same time for 4 seconds. And then within 30 seconds we press the unlock for 1 second and then press OK. So now this key should now lock and unlock the car, and it should also start the car. So just like that, a dealership would have cost you easily $200 to do this, at least an hour's worth of labor, and you did it absolutely free with your Xtool D8 bi-directional scan tool. Now I went ahead and went a step further here, and I went to erase keys. And I erased all keys but one, and then I reprogrammed my new one, and now I only have 2 keys that will start this car. So the previous owner's keys, if they have them hidden somewhere and they find the car, they won't be able to start the car with those keys, which is cool. So if this video helped you learn how to program your key fob and your immobilizer on your 2007 to 2011 Camry without smart key, please comment down below, let me know it helped you. Like, share, subscribe. We'll see you next time.